Hi, my name is Robert Nguyen, and you're watching the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers are in, and click on that bell notification icon to get post notifications. And now let's talk about how much money makes in a single day. This is going to be an estimate. Daily views is currently 3,000. 1,000 views gives a YouTuber $3. Daily income is $9. So the monthly income is $270. So the annual revenue, this is going to be an estimate. So his income is $3,240. YouTube cut takes 45%. So his income after the YouTube cut is $1,782. Now let's talk about his other source of income. He sells, Garage Woodwork sells plans. And he makes a lot more from his plans than his YouTube earnings. And these are some of his plans that he sells on his website. So currently, he has 115,000 subscribers, and let's say 1% of his subscribers buys a plan. So that's $1,150. Average price point for a plan is about $10. $10 profit per plan. So 1,150 times 10 is $11,500 per year extra. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know of the next YouTuber that you want me to do next.